Alright fellas, little NAPA tool haul here. You can find this stuff on their real deals this quarter, first quarter 2020, except for the first item here. And this is Carlyle 38200. Now this is for Ford, I think Chrysler, some like maybe Euro trash things. It's for the guys with the plastic oil pans. These are the special oil pan plug removal tools. So you're not throwing a screwdriver in there that's not the right size, or grabbing it with a pair of vice grips or pliers or something else. This guy right here, I'm not sure exactly why the hex is in there, because you know everybody got hex bit sockets, but you know it's in there. Also comes with a little handle there. And yeah, they are 3/8 drive. So 3/8 drive, 17 millimeter. So put a wrench on there, socket, whatever, or you know, extension, whatever your case entails, you can get it done. It's one of them items where nobody in the shop has one of these, so I bit the bullet. Got it, and now we have one at the shop. And there's been quite a few of them come in, not only for like general service stuff, but you know, other work. Yeah, so that's a good little deal there. One of the things I'm actually fairly happy about, and I've already used this because, well, you can see it's got the old ass nipple on there. I didn't use it with any of these. I had a longer. It's basically a snap-on chisel, except for there's no chisel on it anymore. It's blunt. You use that to beat rotors, and it works. You don't cut them up that way. And this is a little bit of that percussive maintenance. Bust some of that rusty crap loose. It sounds amazing. Doga 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 doga. All low key and shit when you don't have the bit in there. Of course, when you have the bit in there and you're hammering on something metal, it's pretty tingy. Man, I need to not throw that down so much. This thing is, it says max 90 PSI, but I know we were running 150 through it, so it'll handle 150. 2,500 beats per minute. And you know, Ingersoll Rand, all that jazz. This whole kit right here, in the blow molded case, the 5 bits, was $155. Now they have one that's low vibration for like $170 that also comes in this case with the bit kit. Let's see if I can find a part number on this damn thing. There'll be links in the description. Might even straight be up to just NAPA's Real Deal website right now. If they have it on Amazon, there'll be Amazon links down there for you Prime guys. And if not, you know, it's at NAPA. Quarter 1, 2020. And last but not least, let's move this over here. If it's rusted, it's busted. Yes, this is the bolt buster. And yes, I have used this already. So, as much as this is an unboxing and just a tool haul, what the fuck I got, 2/3 of this shit's already been used, yo. This one was $400 basically at NAPA for the real deals. Most of the time, you buy just the induction thing for like $500, and then this accessory kit is like another $80 or $90. And this one came all together for 400 and something. So all your different coils, I've already rearranged them. See, there's the guy that I used. So they end up going from this nice desert coyote tan to burnt desert coyote tan. So yeah, if you like that color, don't use them because they're gonna change color on you. But if you have one of these, I know why you got it, and you're gonna use it because it's just the way you need to do it. And oh, it's so great. I'm not gonna plug this in or anything. It does come with goop in the 2 holes there, and I haven't read the directions and figure out if you're supposed to put more goop in there. I've just been wiping it off and putting my things back in there. No problem yet, but you know, I might actually have to read a little bit and see if there's some kind of dielectric grease or something that you're supposed to put in there. So I don't know, but it is fun. So yeah, all you do, insert her in there, just like so. Clamp down to one side, get the other side in there, clamp down that side, plug her into the wall, push the button and heat her up. Buttercup. This one is 1800 watts. Do not block the airflow. High power bolt buster. Again, 1800 watts. Lots of stuff there for legal purposes. You know, it's 110. I don't know. There'll probably be some like short little Instagram videos or something like that. Might throw them up in a community post. You know, little bitty videos of this thing in action. You know, whenever we got to break it out and use it. So check out the Instagram, Hard Knocks Forge. I know, hard to remember. Yo, yeah, it doesn't go in there. Yeah, take it out and then it'll work. It probably will burp a little bit. No problem. See ya. And yes, it does come with a Fabergé condom. Probably in the toolbox that's going to get thrown away. But it's a specialty tool. It's probably not going to go in the toolbox. It's going to either go in the locker or on the shelf. So one or the other. But yeah, this right here, save yourself like 180 bucks from buying the mini ductor 2 and then buying that accessory kit separate with the NAPA Real Deals program they got going on right now. Alright, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties. They never fit.